Hello there, people of YouTube. One more video here on this channel. Well, one moment, please. A client sent me this Coors Actually, he sent me also this pattern, but I traced it on white paper because it's better for me. I can see better. Well, his name is Steven, and he's from Bonham, Texas. Bonham. I don't know how to pronounce that. So he's from Texas, and so he told me this course. So I'm gonna remake it, and even though I could repair this, I better just make it, because what happens is that sometimes you put in all the effort and time in repairing something like this, and you ship it and it breaks, because I don't know who did it, and I'd rather just go on the safe side and just make it new. So that's what I'm going to start doing. I like this pattern better than that one. So I shall start with this first bend. One thing about this sign, I've got my handy dandy little measuring tool here. So I measured it, and it gives me 11 millimeters. So actually 11 millimeters doesn't exist. Maybe it exists in China, but not here in the United States. So I couldn't do it at 11 because I don't have it. And so what should I do? Should I go down to 10, which I have, or up to 12? So I decided to do it of 12. Yeah, I think it'll look almost the same.
Neon lights, I say at night, when streets are dressed in borrowed light, when buzzing colors softly gleam like fragments of a waking dream. I love neon lights, the way they glow, steady, fragile, high and low. They're light like a heartbeat song that says you've been here all along. They paint the dark in flamingo pinks and cobalt blues, in fleeting ruby reds and electric hues, turning empty roads to art and lighting up a quiet heart. I love neon lights, again I claim, though everyone is just a name, a word, a shape, a shining line, still somehow feels like a light alive, because in every glowing scene there lives a pulse, a spark, a dream, and in their light I understand. I love the night they help to stand. I love neon lights, I say at night, when streets are dressed in borrowed light, when buzzing colors softly gleam like fragments night they help to stand.
For anybody that's out there that wants to learn this craft, I give classes. If you want to learn the craft of glass bending, email me. I'll put my email address in the description, just in case you're interested in learning how to do this. I do a lot of work for collectors. This is a sign that a collector has, and she bought the metal, but it didn't have any neon. So I'm gonna make the neon. I have the pattern somewhere here. It's kind of large. Well, he already gave me the pattern, and I'm going to start on this one as soon as the glass gets here. So for all you collectors out there, I am at your service. If you want to put neon back in that beautiful antique sign, That was a commercial.
Your sweater on my chair, long rings on the table, dust blowing in the air. We say nothing, we are able. Clouds on your ceiling look like places we might go. We trace them with our fingers till the room turns indigo. Stay in this feeling where the hours move slow. Clouds on your ceiling are the only show. Bare feet on the cold floor, curtain breathing in and out. You laugh at something small, it echoes, then it calms my doubt. Clouds on your ceiling look like places we might go. We trace them with our fingers till the room turns indigo. Stay in this feeling where the hours move slow. Clouds on your ceiling are the only show.
Done. Looks good. So now to the pump. Thank you for watching this very, very, very interesting video.